Hello, Namaskara. Myself Vinay Nityanand, ICS Mahesh P. College, Dharwad. At the last class, at the last class we have dealt with some of the methods of preparation of alcohols. The same will be continuing now. Here, some more methods of the preparation of alcohols. In this slide, okay, the second method is from carbonyl compounds. Okay, there are two reagents we are using for carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones, as well as carboxylic acids and esters. Aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids and esters, amides, etc., such compounds are calling as carbonyl compounds. By the reduction of such species we are preparing the alcohols. First of all, aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones undergo catalytic hydrogenation to form corresponding alcohols. The catalyst used actually here is, usual catalyst is finely divided metal catalyst. Those metals may be platinum or nickel or palladium. This platinum, nickel or palladium role is catalyst as well as reducing agent, because the reaction occurs through reduction phenomena. Yes, in the example, aldehyde with palladium as a catalyst and hydrogenation, then what is forming there? Alcohol, which is primary alcohol. In the next example, I have taken ketone. This is ketone, and using NaBH4, this is sodium borohydride, which is also acting as a reducing agent. Okay, now the formed alcohol is a secondary alcohol, means from aldehyde undergoes reduction forming a primary alcohol. From ketone, if it undergoes a reduction, the formed product is secondary alcohol. Now the reduction of a carboxylic acids and ester. First of all, carboxylic acid, RCOOH, which is undergoing reduction in the presence of LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. The formed product is an alcohol. But this method is very expensive, because lithium aluminum hydride is very expensive reducing agent, even though it is a good reducing agent. Then how can we prepare the same alcohol with the carboxylic acid in another way? That is an alternative method. The carboxylic acid is reacting with alcohol in the presence of acid as a catalyst. The formed product is an ester. Actually, this methodology is an esterification process. Now this ester undergo catalytic hydrogenation. The formed products are alcohols. Then what are the alcohol is forming here? The same alcohol in the same yield, but this method is cheaper than the earlier one. Now the third methodology is preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. What are Grignard reagent? Okay, or MgX, alkyl magnesium halides are calling as Grignard reagent. By using them, how to prepare alcohols? Okay, step 1, nucleophilic addition methodology with carbonyl compounds. Okay, here I am taking carbonyl group, any carbonyl group, maybe aldehyde, maybe ketone or a carboxylic acid or a ester or a amide, like that. The group only I am representing. C double bond O is a carbonyl group. It is going to reacting with Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Or MgX is a Grignard reagent. How the reaction occur? For this, the carbonyl group in which the carbonyl oxygen is there, which is more electronegative. Therefore, this bond is shifted more towards the oxygen. Therefore, oxygen has attained the delta negative charge and the carbon has attained the delta positive charge. On the Grignard reagent also, the bond has not distributed symmetrically. It is unsymmetrical distribution of the unsymmetrical sharing of this covalent bonds. Therefore, R group having delta negative charge, Mg having delta positive charge, X also having delta negative charge. Bond is breaking heterolaterally here, and minus R goes to the positive part of the carbonyl carbon, and this positive part of the MgX group goes to the negative part of the carbonyl oxygen. As a result, on either side of the double bond, one and another species have added, means okay, there is a formation of a product, that is an adduct. Adduct is product of addition. Okay, what is that? RCOMgX is forming. This adduct participating in step 2. You see here, this adduct, okay, formed in the first step, now undergoing hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means breaking. Okay, this water into H plus and OH minus. H plus part goes to the negative part of the adduct, and OH minus part goes to the positive part of the adduct, forming what? RCOH and MgOHX. This is our alcohol. Thank you.